Hi, we're going to continue with our screencast tutorials on the various website builders. We're working on Jimdo here. We just did a quick create an account, create a new website, and change layout within the Jimdo website builder here. We're going to continue on here with adding some pages, renaming and moving pages around. It's not obvious here again in the navigation bar how to do that necessarily, but I did find it hidden here where the top navigation bar is. When you point to it, there's an edit navigation, and in it shows the 4 pages that we have, including a hidden page that when we do a publish, we won't see that hidden page shown. Right now it's just shown up there. In any one of these we can move around. If, for example, you want the About page to be after the contact page and the navigation up at the top, you just click the down arrow here and it'll do a swap, and we can do a save here. And you can see we swapped the location of those 2 pages in our navigation bar at the top here. If we want to add a new page, pretty obvious here, click add a new page, and we can say Best Works as our new page here. Click save, and it's going to add it after our other pages, and let's say we want to move that up. Click the upper arrow for Best Works, and let's put that right after our home page and click save, and it'll rearrange the pages at this point in time. We can delete a specific page here. We can add a new page, which I haven't tried this. I'm hoping this will allow us to add a subpage here. And let's call this instructional design and add that as a new page. And let's click on the arrow here, which indeed moves it underneath Best Works as a subpage underneath that. So let's click save at this point for our changes. And you can see up here we have, let's close this at this point and let's point to it here and click on Best Works, and it shows instructional design here as a page underneath Best Works. So it's interesting that instructional design isn't shown and part of the navigation itself, so kind of a limitation here, and it might look different when we publish at this point. But that's the basics of how to add additional pages, how to let's point to edit navigation here, and it looks like if we wanted to rename one of them, for example About, we can rename that About Me just by typing in here. So it's pretty simple too, as long as you know where to find the page manager, as it's called in other sites, by just clicking on the navigation bar up at the top here and clicking on the edit navigation. We can quickly add, rename, reorder pages around within our website here.